Greetings folks, this is Patrick and this is my farm. Bought the land in 2014. I'd like to give you a little tour of the property. So on your left here you see cow reeds for the cow and some maize being grown. There's Mama right there cutting some reeds for the cows. I got a little visitor here. Hi there. And over here we have tanks 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 of the tilapia. Tanks 1 and 2 have 500 tilapia in them. The wood shields here keep the coolness down. Tanks 3 and 4 just had their lake sand and dumped in, and soon we'll have the Nile River and also 500 tilapia, baby tilapia, and they will be 1 month old and mature about 6 months and be sold. Now, when the rain comes, the water comes down, feeds the gutter, water goes down to the pipes, gives the fish fresh water. Here is the pig pens. 22 pigs as of date. 6 of them are pregnant and expected to give birth this month and next month. So now I want to show you something very fascinating about this farm I've recently installed. Their automatic pig watering system. So when the rain comes, it goes down the rain gutters into those 2 pipes right there, or 2 tanks, excuse me. They're 1,000 liters, each of them. And so when it rains, they fill up and we can go into a pig pen. Hopefully these guys won't eat me. And when the pigs are thirsty, they can drink out of here. So they drink out of this. All 21 pig pens are set up that way. So now we're going to carry on to the rabbits. We have white rabbits. Started with 3 of them in May of 2018. Now we have over 100 of them. Here and here, and this. And here are 2 dogs named Fred and Meyer. They really want to come out, but they only come out twice a day, in the morning and late at night. Meyer and Fred is in there somewhere. So I'll step back here. This is the storage, workers' quarters, and office. And here is the water tank. Again, we harvest the rain as much as possible. And right there. So a recent addition to the farm has been a biogas digester. And what this does is it provides methane gas for cooking. So instead of using charcoal or firewood for cooking, we use it for the methane gas for cooking. Where does the methane gas come from? I'm going to show you right now. So the methane gas leads in from the wall, right there. Look at this splitter. Goes down, follows the path here. So, when the pigs poop, cow poop, rabbits poop, come over here and add some urine and some manure, mix it all up, add some water. So they make a kind of manure mixture, and more water, and there's a hole in the bottom where they let the liquefied feces go down. It's another gas drain. So right underneath this giant pit is a 20,000 liter concrete tank made out of bricks.